Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. We're showing you the Cozzoli VR 2 filler and plugger system, mostly for pharmaceutical applications. As you can see, it's an intermittent motion where it actually stops the screw during the cycle. You'll see 6 heads here, only fills 2 at a time. The first 4 are for a gas flush system, or perhaps air. You see there's a smaller solenoid under here. And pressure gauge, of course, and a flow meter around the other side. So connecting to this manifold, they went right to the 4 nozzles in the first 4 stations, which would gas flush or clean the bottle, but most likely they had a cleaner before this. And of course the last 2 are for filling, operating from the fill pistons here, of course the Cozzoli system. Very nice. They're all metal with no seals. Those are the 30 ml pistons. Of course, the bowl feeder for your plugs. The air you hear is the vacuum. And right here on the bottom, you can actually feel a vacuum at each station. Transfers the plug around to the bottle. Variable speed conveyor, of course. Just reloaded the program into the system, new battery, into the PLC, which is an Allen Bradley system you see down here. All the original factory controls, everything's operating beautifully. See, we have a piece of tape over the eye, so it believes that there are continuous bottles coming towards it. A couple of stands in there to raise the machine up from its original lifting screw down jacks. Machine does have a large cache of change parts with it, which we have as a list you'll get with the quotation on the machine. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.